Rowesville Farm Life, Cat City. There she is eating outside on the table. Pieces of chicken. She got little gray hairs on her. Just like somebody I know. We are live on the new Fluffy run, as you'll see here. Got it going from the telephone pole, light pole, to the tree in front of the freezer room. All right, Fluff. Come on. What's that? Fluff. See, it goes from there all the way to that light pole. All right, Fluff. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. She got a nice run. What's that, Fluff? What's that? She sees that butterfly right there. Look at, she's getting down. Where's the butterfly, Fluff? Good girl, Fluff. Good girl. Pretty girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl, Fluff. Good girl, Fluff. Good girl. Good girl. All right, come on. Come on back this way. Come on, Fluff. Good girl. Good girl, Fluff. Come on. Good girl. Come on, Fluff. Good girl. What's that? Good girl. Good girl, Fluff. Fluffy. Good girl. Yeah. What a good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, yeah. Yeah. Good girl. For a walk. Come on, let's go for a walk. No, you can't go through there. What are you doing? What do you say? Okay, Fluff, you get that, dig it. Whoa, you're fast. You're fast, Fluff. Fluffy in the radish patch. What do you find, Fluff? Fluffy's hunting in the radish patch. What do you see down there? Huh? What do you see? Good girl. What's that? What is that? What you see? You like it in the radish patch. Wow, you fast. Puppy, you like digging in there? Good girl. You like going for a walk, huh? What is it? Good girl. You gonna attack at the ground? You attacking that hole. Good girl. Let's go for a walk.
Good girl. Yes, a good girl. Fluff. Good girl. Good girl. It's a good girl.
Get him, Fluff. Good girl. Who's that? Watch out! Another cat. Here he is, Fluff. Come on. Here, Fluff. Come on, Fluff. Here he is. What do you do to him? Good girl. What's that? Ooh, a wrestle fat. What? Where are you going? Ready? Good girl. Where'd you go? Get him, Fluff. Where'd you go? You go get him? Here he is. Watch. Sneak up on him. Get him, Fluff. Sneak up. Here we go. How about this one? You want to get the little fella? What are you doing? What? You trying to eat that pea? Now you're trying to hide it. Good girl. Oh! Come on, get him. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? What you got? You got that little runt? Oh, where'd he go? Good girl. Oh, you fell and wrestled him down. Where'd he go? Here, Fluff. Fluff, let's try it again. Come. Who's it? You got him? Where'd he go? He's still up there. Good girl. Where is he? What are you doing? You gonna get him? Where is he? Is he up there? What's he doing up there? What? What do you want to do? You want to say hi to the camera? What? You want to smack it? What are you doing? Get that thing. Get him, Fluff. You gotta climb up there and get him. Good girl. Good girl. You gonna try it again from the bottom? Okay, try it again. Go on, get him. Oh, okay.
Chair and take it. Sit in the chair. You gotta do it overhead. Overhead.
I got it.
Sit in the chair. Just take it again.
What are you doing in my slipper? Oh, yeah. What are you doing in my slipper? You gonna put your head down in there again? Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh. That's a tap, patty tat. Do 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 do.
Is the video on?
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. What in the world? Are you crashed out now? You all pooped? Tired? Oh. Oh. Leave me alone. A new bed. Oh. That's the amazing cat.
Fluff! Fluff!
Fluffy the amazing cat. Lightning. Go. Are you in your house again, Fluff? What are you doing in your house? Look at you. You happy? Are you a happy cat? Praise the Lord. Look at you. Oh, Fluff. What are you doing in your new house? That's a nice house you got, Fluff. It's just right for you. You like it? Yeah. Okay, it's time to go nighty-night. Good, Fluff. Cathy just called on the phone, you know. Okay. I see you're all excited about it. All right. Well, you have a good night, Fluff. Okay. Yeah, you look so relaxed. I'm glad, because you were going crazy for a while. Yeah, right. All right, good girl. Good girl, Fluff. What are you doing? You're just putting on a show. Look at you. It's amazing. The amazing cat. From slipper to house. The house cat. What are you doing, Fluff? All right, good girl. Good girl. Okay. Now you're going to stand up for a portrait? Okay. You are amazing. That's for sure. All right.